Today, fixing day, and hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Comment, like and subscribe. I'm very happy to see you again, even if I don't really see you. And for the newcomers, welcome, subscribe please. And today, fixing day, I was saying, because I have this wonderful Carrera McLaren M car, and I don't want to bore you telling why do I have this, but it's a gift, and unfortunately it's broken, and I want to fix it because I love this car. This raced with a Porsche 917 1000 horsepower monster, blue, yellow. If I don't know if someone of you remember those cars. And to fix it, I don't have the same plastic, and I hope that with the evergreen plastic I can do something. So first of all, with this wonderful, I take the measure of the thickness. It's 1.5 millimeters. As I have not 1.5 millimeters plastic, I glued together 2.075. That makes 1.5. Very clever. Now I have to copy the shape of this, the exact length, and how to proceed. I think that I will, first of all, I think that I will follow the line there, down there, the line where it's broken, after I give the shape, the exact shape with the holes and so on. So first work, this. Now I change the camera position and start working, and well, what's this? Okay, change. Okay, and at the end it matches quite well. Now we have to sign here, and this is not easy. It's not easy. Okay, now we have the piece. It looks a little bigger than this, but we have to do another work. You see, it's like a wing, and this knot is very thick. Now I have to scrape, to sand it, to give this thick, this aspect, very thin. And I don't want to bore you, I will show you at the end. It seems quite good. Next step, finger cross. Okay, this is better. Let me see. Whoa. Haha. Next step, glue. And we hope that this glue melts this kind of plastic. And the problem with this kind of glue is that sometimes here gets out quite nothing. Fire. Okay. Remember, when you do this, always press, because here is hot and the glue shrinks. It seems that it works. Yes. Quite good, not perfect, but we have the side wing. Let's dry. While we wait this to dry, we can do some other little works. One is this, the brushes. They are in these conditions, and we can do something, and something is to pull them in this way, pull, and you see that it changes. 1 and 2. Then, just to have a better contact, we must cut the edges, tuck, tuck, and they look new. Carrera has this wonderful system to put the brushes. It's a spring, double brushes. It's fantastic. 1 and 2. A little better. Then we need mirrors. Here there's a pin of one mirror, and we spit it out. Spitted. Then I have one mirror without the pin and another one. So we can mount one. Okay. And fortunately I have this bag with brushes and mirrors, chrome and black. So we have a replacement part. A replacement part we must open with this. Much more better. Next work is to finish as well as I can the joint section. I don't have filler, so I must work some way. And unfortunately we lost this part, McLaren. But for this, perhaps I have a decal. It's not the same, but would be nice to put it on. Before, we must paint it. And we are ready for play with this. But before, why not to see inside? Here I see some hair coming out. Perhaps it's better to give a look inside. 4 screws. Whoa! Look at that! Wow, this is digital, of course. This tire is not nice. It's not in a good condition. A little bit melted. No matter. On slot cars, front wheels are quite useless. And here, okay, here there's some dirt. Once, in order to, there's the light in the, no, fantastic. A spare screw. Always check the conditions of the things you buy or of the gift you receive. I finish the work, close the car, then we play with paint. And now it's time to play with colors. Let's start with a little bit of yellow. Okay. Then a jug of orange. It's too orange. Orange is very strong, so we need a little bit more of yellow. I'm not an expert in colors, so I have to try. I think it could be. By now it's good, not perfect, but it matches the final color when it's dry. Okay. And this is the end of the work. Also, slot cars can be fun to work. The only thing, but perhaps one day I will fix it, is that over the carburetor intake or injection intake, there are not the, how do you call them, the air intake that make like a trumpet. And obviously we can do it with a alu tube, a cone, hammer. You push, then you polish and glue. Too much work. In the matter of fact, this is a sign of the time. So, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next with new ideas. Ciao!